Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. On the menu today we have rice balls and that is Omotuo. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. This is going to be quite an easy one because all we need is a liter of water and 500 grams of rice and obviously some salt. Just look for a pan with a heavy bottom. Throw your water in there, cover, and when it's boiled, all we have to do is to add some salt, our pre-washed rice, which does not have to be pre-soaked because we need all that starch to bind the rice together when it's time to stir. And also do not use basmati rice but rather jasmine because basmati is too fluffy. After 20 to 25 minutes of cooking on a medium to low heat, the rice should be ready. Notice that the rice is not fluffy but rather wet and soft, which is the perfect consistency for Omotuo. Now all we have to do is stir. So you just look at the video and do exactly what I'm doing. And in a couple of minutes, the rice balls will be ready. When you get to the point where you have this sticky, smooth paste, it's time to mold. And I am going to need calabash for that. If you do not have a calabash, feel free to use a bowl. The most important thing is that each time before the rice paste goes in there, you rinse the bottom with some water to prevent stickiness. For this amount of rice, you're supposed to get about 3 of this size of balls. And as you can see, my Omotuo is ready and it's time to eat. If you also love it with a thick granite soup like the one you see in the video, I do have a recipe for that and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you prefer it with palm nut soup, I also have a recipe for that. And its recipe link you would also find in the description box below. So as usual, if you loved what you saw or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking and sharing. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, till the next recipe, it's au revoir for now.